Congresswoman Yvette Clarke has introduced a resolution calling for the exoneration of Marcus Garvey. This one coming out of Washington. All right, Caribbean American. She's a Caribbean woman leading. And when we talk about every woman, we out there doing big things. This Democratic Congresswoman Yvette Clarke introduced a resolution just this week to the United States House of Representatives calling for the exoneration of Jamaica's first national hero and human rights activist Marcus Messiah Garvey, the Right Excellent. Sorry, Daddy Marcus. The Right Excellent Marcus Messiah Garvey. Now, Clarke is the daughter of Jamaican immigrants, people, so she's our very own woman doing big things, and she represents a largely Caribbean 9th Congressional District in Brooklyn, New York. Highlighted Garvey's accomplishments, identifying him as a champion for the liberation of people of African descent. So we need to get behind her and get this trending, right? Thank you so much, Congresswoman Yvette Clarke, for bringing it back to the table, because it's not the first time that it's gone to Congress. People, it was there from the 1980s. New York Congressman Charles Rangel also put the bill to Congress and nothing happened. And where were we? Where were we, Jamaica, pushing and supporting? Yeah, we're not hearing the rallying cry. Not just do we want Garvey's education infused in our everyday life on radio, in our schools, but we want him to be exonerated right now, right? So people, get behind that. Please get behind that. Also, as we talk about getting our mind, body, soul, and spirit right on every woman today, I want to remind everybody that it was Marcus Garvey who first said in his speech in 1937 in Nova Scotia, "Emancipate yourself from mental slavery." I want you all to have that discussion. That's your homework today, women, as you go home and lead the conversations. How do we truly emancipate ourselves from mental slavery? Because if we are enslaved in our minds, how in God's name are we going to be free and healed in our minds, in our bodies and spirits, in this beautiful country? So as Jamaican women leading the charge globally for justice, may we also lead the charge for justice and freedom of our minds. Jamaica, every woman listening globally, I thank you for hearing what's on my mind. Write it down. How do we emancipate ourselves from mental slavery? Marcus Garvey, 1937. All right, that's what's on my mind.